It's been over a year since the highly anticipated launch of US spot Bitcoin ETFs on Jan 11, 2024, and the world of crypto ETFs has seen a whirlwind of action since. These products were initially met with excitement, drawing in roughly $36.2 billion in net inflows, according to data from Farside Investors. Fast forward to Jan 13, 2025, and we are witnessing an interesting shift. The US Bitcoin ETFs reported their third consecutive day of outflows as Bitcoin's price dipped below $90,000, driven by a broader market risk-off sentiment. In fact, over $1 billion exited the Bitcoin ETFs in just 3 days. But Bitcoin ETFs are only part of the story. Since the launch of Ethereum ETFs in July, the inflows have been significantly more modest, totaling just $12.8 billion. Well, Ethereum's price increased by 53% in 2024, but that's a far cry from Bitcoin's stellar 100% performance. As the world gears up for the second inauguration of President Donald Trump on Jan 20, 2025, crypto enthusiasts are buzzing with optimism. Trump, who has expressed a keen interest in being a crypto president, is expected to usher in a new era for digital assets. With an increasingly crypto-friendly tone from regulators in Washington, 2025 is shaping up to be a monumental year for crypto ETFs. According to Nate Geraci, president of the ETF Store, at least 50 new crypto-related ETFs could launch this year, with innovative products like Bitcoin-denominated equity ETFs and Bitcoin bond ETFs. In fact, firms like Vanik and 21 Shares have already filed applications for new products, including ETFs tracking Solana and XRP, currently the fourth and sixth largest cryptocurrencies by market cap, are expected to make a significant impact on the ETF space. JP Morgan predicts that XRP ETFs could attract between $3 billion and $8 billion in investments, with Solana ETFs following a similar trajectory. But it's not just XRP and Solana that are making waves. SEC filings show that firms like Canary Capital are also eyeing ETFs tied to less mainstream tokens like Litecoin and Hedera, which are considered more likely to receive approval from the SEC due to their regulatory clarity. With the appointment of Paul Atkins as the new SEC chairman, the crypto industry is anticipating a more favorable environment for ETF approvals. So as Gary Gensler exits the SEC and with ongoing legal challenges likely fading, the door for new crypto ETFs seems wide open. In fact, asset manager Grayscale is looking to convert its Grayscale Solana Trust into an ETF, a move that could signal the beginning of a new wave of crypto ETFs in 2025. Meanwhile, asset manager BlackRock is launching new Bitcoin exchange-traded fund on CBOE Canada, the Canadian Security Exchange said on Jan 30. Interestingly, Thailand's regulatory authorities are considering allowing Bitcoin exchange-traded funds to list on local exchanges. Yes, the Thai SEC aims to enable institutional and individual investors to access Bitcoin ETFs within the local market. So as for the broader economic outlook, banks like Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan have revised their expectations for US Federal Reserve rate cuts, now predicting fewer cuts in 2025. So the delayed rate cuts could impact crypto markets as reduced liquidity might cause short-term volatility. However, the regulatory landscape and President Trump's crypto-centric agenda could provide long-term support for the industry. That's all in the story. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates and do log on to our website www.3worstv.io or scan the QR code.